Hello, lovely people, it's Mr. K, and I'm back again with another video. We're going over another video, volumes of prisms. This we have a teacher example. Shown below is a triangular prism. Find the volume of the triangular prism. This time we have a few different dimensions here. We have 3 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 7.6 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. You may have noticed in this question, they do not give you the cross-sectional area straight away. You need to work it out. Remember, if you do give you a cross-sectional area, use that instead of working it out. But here, we need to work out the cross-sectional area. So that is what I'm going to put down in my thinking column. Work out the cross-section area, which I'm going to call the CSA. My CSA in this question, I'm going to highlight it for you. It's actually the triangle which appears in the front here. So it's this shape here, the right angle triangle. So it's really important that we have identified that CSA. For these type of questions, we need to know our prior knowledge, which is the area of our 2D shapes. So to work out the area of a triangle, it's always the base times by its height, and then that answer we divide by 2. If we always do that, we always get the area of my triangle. So in my triangle, the base is this line here, my 7 centimeters. So immediately I'm going to put down 7 centimeters as my base. My height is this red line here, which is the 3 centimeters. I think it's really important to sometimes color in your shapes, only because there's a lot of different dimensions here. We don't really want to get confused. And then we divide that by 2. So I'm going to put that in the bracket and then divide it by 2. So we work it out step by step. 7 times 3 is 21. Divide it by 2. That should give us 10.5 centimeters squared. Notice that I didn't use the 7.6. That is there to throw you off. It's not the base, it's not the height. I will have to cross it out. The next step is I need to identify the length. Now what the length is the dimension or the edge of the shape, which gives the shape its 3D property. And you can always tell what it is because it connects 2 cross-sectional areas together. So you notice that we have a front face, which is shaded in green. That is a cross-sectional area. But we also have this cross-sectional area, which is identical right here at the back. Now, if you notice that the 10 centimeters is going to be the length, because if you draw a point from here to here, both are cross-sectional areas. It's the edge which joins both cross sections together. So I'm going to label that in blue like so, and you can see they connect both cross sections together. So that means that 10 centimeters is my length. Also, you notice that I've crossed out the 7.6, so it's the only one that is left as well. My final step is to use the formula for the volume of a prism. The volume of a prism is the cross-sectional area times by the length. My cross-sectional area we worked out before was 10.5. So I write down 10.5 here. And my length is 10 centimeters. So in my thinking column, I just need to work out the volume. 10.5 times by 10, that's going to give us 105. Don't forget the units, centimeters cubed. So in my thinking, I need to put in my units and put the small little 3 that represents the cubed, and then that is how you work out the volume of a prism when you don't have the cross-sectional area given to you.